and it's not a race, it's a patient game.
So I'll just start by saying who I am and what I'm doing today. So my name is Leah from the PR department of AudaCity Capital. And at the moment, we're just conducting a few interviews with our traders just to find out a bit more about their trading journey and how they got into trading. So my first question for you is just to introduce yourself and then explain how you got interested in trading in the first place.
Well, my name is Benjamin Mills, obviously. I got into trading about 10 years ago, so I took an interest into it. And it's something I've always wanted to do. I just like the markets, basically.
Yeah, so did you have any like background education in trading, or did you learn yourself or through a mentor?
I went to a school called Learn to Trade up in Chelsea. And then I've done all the courses there and done all the master courses there. And then obviously come as a graduate there and then come out the other side.
Great, that sounds great. And I think a lot of people are doing that as well, going through courses and stuff and becoming profitable traders instead of coming from a different background. So that's great to hear. So how long have you been trading, or how long has it taken you to learn how to trade successfully?
It's been on and off for the last 10 years, but for the last 2 years, it's been more consistent.
Yeah, that's great. That's great.
A lot more consistent. As you know, it takes time, doesn't it? And you're still learning as you go.
Yeah, definitely. So have you had any challenges or obstacles that have really got in your way with your trading? Like some people may go in too fast and blow their account, or have other obstacles. But have you had any of those, and have you came out on top for any of those?
I've done all that at the start, at the beginning, where you rush too quick. But now it's taking your time and using a small percentage, 1% risk, obviously.
Yeah. So how did you come out on top after those obstacles?
Well, I just learned that the risk management was the main thing for trading.
Yeah.
And once I conquered that, that's how you get through the next part of the journey.
Yeah, great. That sounds great. So you're on the Funded Trader program with AudaCity Capital, yeah?
That's correct, yeah.
Yeah, so how are you finding it so far? Are you liking it? Do you have any feedback? How's your trading been?
Oh, it's been all right. It's been good this month. Obviously, last month was a bit tough. So January was a bit tough. February it picked up a bit, and now it's getting better for March. Obviously, we just started March, so it's been a lot better from last year, the pandemic, to now.
Yeah.
So hopefully, it's going to go in the right direction.
Yeah, that's great to hear. I'm glad you're enjoying it and things are picking up. December and January and February are a bit of tricky months, I guess, for trading.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, so I'm glad that you're liking it so far. And my last question is a bit of a tricky one, and I ask it to everyone that I interview. And it is, what is the best advice you can give to someone who's just starting their trading journey? So this may be something that you would have liked to have heard when you started off that really changed the way you traded, or something that you think someone who's just beginning their journey would like to hear.
Basically, to concentrate on risk management, and it's not a race; it's a patient game.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. I think that's great advice. And I think patience, a lot of people overlook the psychology of trading a lot. So patience is great advice. So that's great. And I think that's everything from me today. And it has been lovely talking to you and hearing your story. And hopefully we can catch up in a few weeks or months to see how you're doing with the account.
No problem. Thanks very much.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Take care.
You too.
Bye.